right. So a little bit of notation. We can take derivatives more than once, right? So if I have y as some function of x, then the derivative, the first derivative, is f prime of x, is the so-called first derivative. It's the rate at which y changes with respect to x. I can take a derivative again. F double prime of x. That's how you read that. That would be your second derivative. And so on. Now I could take 3 derivatives. F triple prime. Third derivative. For the fourth derivative, we stop writing little lines there, and we just write the number 4. Okay? So here I'm asking you to find f double prime, given f of x is e to the x minus x squared. I want to slow down and look at how these functions of x are put together. They are put together with subtraction. Yay! I get to compartmentalize my thinking. I get to think just about the derivative of e to the x. Then I get to think just about the derivative of 1 over x squared and put them together with a subtraction symbol. Before I go ahead and take a derivative, though, I would like to write that 1 over x squared as x to the minus 2 power so that I can use power rule. Now my first derivative, going term by term, the derivative of e to the x we love is just e to the x minus, now taking the derivative of x to the minus 2 power using power rule, that's going to be a minus 2 times x to the minus 2 minus 1 power to the minus 3 power. Let's just clean up that minus a minus. Minus a minus 2 will be plus 2 times x to the minus 3. Now taking this derivative one more time, the second derivative, f double prime, again, I get to differentiate term by term. I have one function of x plus another function of x. Thinking about the derivative of e to the x on its own, it's e to the x, plus, now here power rule, we've got, and the constant multiple rule, right? 2 times e to the minus 3. So we've got 2 times power rule on x to the minus 3rd power, minus 3 times x to the minus 3 minus 1 power to the minus 4 power. And done. Let's just clean up that algebra a little bit. Plus a 2 times a minus 3 will be a minus 6. X to the minus 4th power, how about we write that as all over x to the 4th? And we are done. All right. So we can take derivatives more than once. In this example, we took a derivative twice to get the second derivative.